In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill that can make sharing information, links, or documents incredibly simple and efficient. QR codes are everywhere these days, and with just a few clicks, you'll be able to generate your very own using Google Sheets. Let's dive right into the steps. First, what you need to do is head over to Google Sheets. You can either start fresh by opening a new spreadsheet or use an existing one, whatever suits your needs best. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to a particular cell where your QR code will appear, so let's focus on getting to that cell. In your Google Sheet, click on cell B2. Choosing this cell is strategic as we're planning to populate it with a QR code that will easily extract data from another cell. This brings us to the exciting part of our tutorial, using a formula to generate the QR code directly in your sheet. Now with cell B2 selected, it's time to type in a specific formula. You're going to type ximage https://quickchart.io QR text NA2N. What this formula does is quite fascinating. It uses an image function that can pull in data from another cell, here, cell A2, and turns it into a QR code via the QuickChart API. By doing this, whatever text you have in A2, such as a link or important piece of information, will be transformed into a QR code image in B2. It's a simple yet powerful line of code that automates the creation process. With your formula in place, you'll need to execute this command. So let's move on to the next action, pressing the Enter key. As you hit Enter, Google Sheets processes the formula, reaching out to the quickchart.io service to generate your QR code. In just a moment, you'll see the QR code appear right there in cell B2. At this point, you've effectively crafted your own QR code within the spreadsheet. Why would you want a QR code in Google Sheets, you ask? Well, QR codes are a fantastic tool for quickly sharing links or data electronically. Whether you're embedding a URL, sharing event details, or linking to a document, they can hold whatever you need and can be scanned with a smartphone for instant access. And that's a wrap on how to create a QR code using Google Sheets. It's remarkable how easy and quick this process is. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Go ahead and try creating your own QR codes for different entries and watch how technology simplifies tasks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.